We have a young lady here that we call country music's own sweetheart. I know you're anxious to see her and meet her right now, so let's make her welcome. My little pug-nosed friend, Miss June Carter. Judy, glad to see you, honey.
Well, I'm glad to see you, too. I've got a fan letter.
Well, I'll do declare.
You didn't think I'd ever get one, did you, old Lottie?
No, I wouldn't say
Well,
that,
let me tell you, I got one right here.
Is it a good one?
It's about the television program.
Would you read it for me, honey?
Yeah, it says, Dear Miss June Carter, while you're on television, I can't pull my husband away. He just sits there by the set.
Well, that's real good, June. That's real nice.
I ain't done
What's that
yet.
postscript?
He's afraid somebody will turn it on.
Oh! That's not so good, June.
It's signed Mrs. Archibald Hamislogger. But let me tell you what, I read it, Ernest, and I went over and seen old Archibald Hamislogger.
You did?
Yes, sir, smart
I
aleck.
bet you told him off,
I told
didn't you?
him, buddy, I did. I said, you little old smart aleck, you. I said, I'll just give you 10 minutes to knock that chip off my shoulder.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir,
And
indeed.
what happened?
Well, 10 minutes went by, and that chip is still there, buddy.
Still there.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
I'll declare.
My shoulder was gone, but...
Oh.
I've had a terrible time. Last night I had the awfulest dream, and it was terrible, Ernest. I'm just
Oh,
for all
sure
the
enough.
pieces
Well,
about.
what was it, June?
Well, I tell you, there was this great big room, and in this room is just full of boys, good-looking boys, beautiful, handsome, lovely boys, thousands of them, and me. I was in there with them by myself.
Well,
it was terrible. It was awful.
Now, wait, well, June, honey, what's so terrible about being in a great big room just filled with handsome boys? I see nothing wrong with that.
Well, I was a boy, too.
Oh, what a dream. Dude. Honey, I think you better sing, don't you?
I will. I know one called raining here this morning, and these nice fellas have been nice enough.